Hey guys, Neil here with Chapel Gutter, and I was just digging through some old footage and I come across a video that I wanted to share with you guys on it's some point of view. We had put the GoPro on. It's how to replace sub-fascia on a house. This house, the backstory was it had vinyl fascia on it, and the vinyl fascia was not tucked under the drip edge, so water was just, it was actually sitting on top of the drip edge, so not installed properly. Water was running behind the vinyl fascia and then getting to the sub fascia, and it rotted it out all around this house. But yeah, so this also, in this video, it was our first time ever using a cat paw, so you can look at kind of our actual like first time review of the cat's paw. So really cool video. Yeah, okay, let's jump into it. Look at that already. You're supposed to dig it out with it, then use your crowbar? Is that the thing?
I just take like the hooks and I just beat the shit out of it.
Until it comes out?
Until it comes out.
I'm gonna have to use my crowbar for that.
See, I don't know how this...
No. Well, no, it's for like... Oh, you already got all those nails. You didn't even need it.
I have no clue.
It's for whenever it's the... My ladder's just in the wrong spot. So like this one, right? Pull that drip edge up. Just hold the drip edge up. So I'm pretty sure you go just like that. But it didn't seem even needed.
Yeah.
Because this thing digs down real nice. Can you dig that? Can you get that? Oh, and here's a couple more here. So, yeah, I don't, because I feel like the normal cat's paw just is actually doing just fine. You think they just add it to it just as a selling point?
The walking's cooler because we have to...
And then you don't even use it.
I do like that yours has the pad on the back.
The pad?
Like, so you see the little metal.
What's yours look like?
Mine's just flat.
Let me see.
Just kind of knocking the shit.
Oh, I got a little bit bigger of a...
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Do we have nails? We got nails on this other board.
You think I can get it from the roof?
That's what I was thinking. Do you feel comfortable like that? Here, put this on. You're gonna have to like lay on your belly.
That's what I'm thinking.
Just be careful, dude.
Yeah.
Here, one sec. We might not even need to because this thing might just pull off.
Oh, did you bring your multi-tool up?
Did we have
I definitely left mine on the truck.
They're both over
Nice.
there.
Good.
Quentin, if you can try to pull it out.
I'll give it a shot.
There you go.
There you go.
Is that gonna work?
Yes, sir.
Try my old Indian trick? So go for it. You want the GoPro? Why? You don't like it? For your old Indian trick. You think I can do the old Indian trick with just this? Go for it. See what happens. I think any amount of downward. I think this side's pretty loose. I see it. That hurts.
Mm-hmm.
It's up here. Take your crowbar, put it on there, and then hit it with a hammer.
Go ahead. Very nice.
Alright. Alright.
I can walk that down if you want. Luis Pesquet.
We
We probably should have grabbed like 2 10s.
Yeah. Is it over 8 feet?
We're gonna have to do 3 foot 9 and a half. Let me see. Can you come help me on this? Just like right there, honestly. Not quite there. What was it?
3 foot 9 and a half.
3 9 and a half. You remember that one?
Okay.
We'll get this 3-footer installed.
What?
Beautiful.
You ready? So guys, there you have it. This was how to replace sub-fascia on a house. I know we cut this a little short. It was due to lack of footage. There is one thing I would like to point out about the board that we used to replace the sub-fascia. I believe on this house we had 2x6x8 is all that we had. I would have liked to have a 2x6x10 to make it so it fit all the way across there with just one board. We did have to split into 2 boards, but this is very important to know. So we ended up tacking that board to 3 trusses, and that's kind of my rule on this, is I don't want to tack sub-fascia to any less than 3 trusses. You want to tack it into 3 spots, so it'd be a total of at least 6 nails going into the board. If you try to do just 2 trusses, I worry that there's not enough holding that piece of sub-fascia onto the house, and you could risk weight getting in the gutter and then it pulling that sub-fascia off there. So my rule is 3 trusses. Somewhere around on this screen there's actually another video that you might be interested in. It's the tools, the best tools to use while replacing sub-fascia. In the link below, there's a blog post that tells you all about replacing fascia, sub-fascia, the tools you need, the best caulk to use, the best blades to use, everything is down there. So go check it out. As always, like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe, comment your questions down below. We're here to help, and we'll see you in the next one.